crew here is trying to get themselves pushed off the dock, but they kind of keep coming back into it. It's not... It looks like they've got the boat in reverse, and that was part of their problem. So they're trying to back out. Something's wrong. I just can't tell what. So here we go. We're going to try and turn this thing around. I'm assuming we're going to try and get it into forward gear. And our guy's going to step to the stern of the boat. And these guys are kind of fighting over the wheel and the throttle a little bit. Like I said, something's definitely off, but I'm just not sure exactly what. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we're visiting 79th. And this is something I definitely don't recommend you do. A prop boat, stick your hand in the water down by the outdrive. Now, I realize he wasn't very deep, but there's no reason to have your fingers anywhere near that stuff in the water. And now, what is he doing? And we've got the prop going with the strap in the water. None of this is good. Whatever you guys do, don't do what he's doing. I mean, this is the way you lose a finger, lose a hand. I mean, even that strap could have got caught in the prop while he was holding on to it and could have caused a melee of fun. But, man, I don't have a clue what they are doing here. But, once again, just good solid advice. Keep your hands away from the prop. And so they're tossing her a line, but the ski's running. And she seems to be under control. I'm not sure exactly what he's doing. I mean, I watched her drive it. She actually looks like she's got great control of the ski. So, oh, she's in! she fell in. So, I'm not sure exactly what's going on there. She tried to stand up and things just got a little sideways on her. So maybe it is a good thing they've got the rope on the ski now. So they're going to kick it off, but she's going to have to swim back over here and try and get back onto this thing. And sometimes this is interesting right here, just watching people try to do this. It's not the easiest task. She gives herself a little hand, a little push. We're part of the way there. And very good. Honestly, it was a pretty, because I don't believe there's a boarding ladder on this ski either. So she did that without a boarding ladder. The amount of times I watch people absolutely struggle trying to get back on the skis is crazy. And she had a pretty solid remount. And this crew's ready. Not something we commonly see down here at 79th. We've got fenders and lines at the ready. We're getting a wave to the camera even, so we've been recognized over here. And we're going to make our approach to the dock. I mean, fenders out, lines out. We've got people ready to handle the lines. My man's got it made in the shade here at 79th. So he's going to make his approach. And he looks all right now. He's got to... Oh! Hits the brakes hard. Didn't like something about the approach. And got lucky he didn't toss anybody in the meantime, because he hit the brakes hard there. And so we're switching fenders already as well. So there is a truck and trailer here on that ramp. Maybe they're loading. But he's definitely being advised here, or made his own decision, that he needs to switch. So everybody's going to bring this stuff to the other side. Let's see if our throttle-happy captain can kind of keep this one under control and get this boat on too. This always makes it a little more complex because everybody's got to switch everything around. And, of course, he's going to hit the dock before they can get it all switched. But he's going to go for the grab here. And we should be good on getting this one on too. But that was definitely a hard brake check. And definitely got lucky nobody went flying on that one. making our approach to 79th. We've got somebody handling the lines, and it's a pretty big boat to be coming in here. And they're taking a nice, easy approach. Gonna try and set it up and see which dock they're gonna try and put this Hydrosports on. And so we've determined what dock we're gonna go after. Let's see how our crew handles it. These boats are always interesting to me. As soon as we add that bow rail into the mix, things always get a little complex on people trying to jump over these things and get onto the dock. And Cap's looking pretty good right here. Gonna do, oh, a little brake check, almost sends her over the rail. She's able to hang on and grab, but he's got himself a little sideways now, and he's gonna have to reapproach this one. I thought he looked okay, but he just got a little mixed up and hit the brake. I mean, a hard brake, so obviously he was missing. He's got it turned around right now. And Wifey's going to go for the leap, but she's made it, and she's on the dock. Oh, but she's, once again, big boat struggling with the lines, trying to stop this thing. Gonna get it pulled over. We're going to get the bounce off the dock, probably. But they should be able to pull this one up with the lines on. And we got a little rain here at the end of the day. And the red boat's struggling to get on the dock a little bit. And these guys right here in front of us on 5 are trying to pull off. But there's a boat right behind them. Oh, they're going to hit the boat. And somebody's came over there. Oh, getting a little throttle happy in between the docks. Got to be careful there. It always gets a little wild when it starts raining. People start getting a little, I don't want to call it panicked, but everybody's rushing a little more. So these guys have hit that throttle and pushed over, but now they're going to pull the motor completely out of the water as well, which is going to leave them with no control over the vessel while they're still floating around. But somebody grabs them on the dock, and that should be good enough to help them get put up. But it looks like they're checking something on the motor. I'm wondering, they must have hit the motor on something when they were doing all that, because actually this is an inspection. They must have hit that, oh, they must have hit the lower unit. He's beating on it, and whether something's wrong or not, I don't know, but they are definitely checking it out for sure. But they are finally on the dock on the other side, and they should be good to go and should be able to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.